Ayy, rubber band honeys, this shit keep on coming. I'm thumbing. Move like a mummy, the drug got him slumpy. Junkie, head to
Man, what's up YouTube? It's the kid, Two-Tone David, coming at y'all with another video, man. Hey man, we're gonna hit 100 and some subscribers, bro. Keep subscribing, bro. I love every single one of y'all, bro. Haven't seen that video, the thank you video, make sure you go check it out, you feel me? Hey, today we in Walmart, Christmas Eve, bro. Merry Christmas. We got a little prank coming for y'all, you feel me? I got this little thing right here. We're gonna be sneezing on people today, man. This is a prank, I feel me? This is a prank. It's not real, alright? Hey man, like, comment, already know what to do, subscribe, bro. Let's get it.
I know that.
Oh, thank you though. You won't be in the video though, I promise.
Oh, no problem.
I forgot the mic. Got you, my boy. Thank you. Oh, should I know? Oh, good.
I know y'all do this dumb shit like all the time, yo. Go.
Touch me like that. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Calm down, bro.
Got him! Got him!
Hey, man, I know y'all seen that last clip, bro. People are crazy, man. Put his hands on me, bro. You want to get knocked out, bro. You want to get knocked out. But hey, man. Like that video, bro. Leave a like. You want to see a part 2, bro? Leave a comment, part 2, man. Two-Tone David, man. Subscribe, bro. Merry Christmas.